Scott Yoke, Scooter at the controls, Jim Tobel, and that beautiful Corsair. They'll be back a little bit later. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we hand it back to the Navy. And with that dramatic entry, the class of 45 begins. It began one day at an event very similar to this one. The pilots were watching rehearsal performances ahead of an air show in October 2013. Aviators Jim Torque Tobel and Scott Scooter Yoke both noticed the United States Air Force created the Heritage Flight. The United States Navy developed the Legacy Flight 2. World War II went on to continue the defense of freedom during the Korean War. So what you're seeing now is a moving display with two icons of American aviation, both built in 1945. Ladies and gentlemen, enjoy the Clough. Beautiful formation to the right.
One of the few surviving combat veterans.
Two favorite planes of World War II.
Korean War hero.
So important. Jim Tobel, Scott Yoke. Korean War hero, his Corsair. Just a taste of it too, the inner gun ports. The Mustangs were set back into this magnificent
A26 Marauder.
And the fighters dropping down next in a beautiful formation. Pulling up and away in the Bearcat. Such a beautiful airplane. Loved building that as a kid in plastic models. It was just one of my favorite airplanes. Again, the stage set. ready. This is the clip for your reels. These are the money shots as our pilots make it look as beautiful as they can and arch right out in front.
And ground attacks on the left. The A-26 Invader.